Welcome aboard Nighthawk, the 1999 custom S&S design Lyman Morse built raised pilot house. We're going to do an exterior walkthrough video today. Covered up, but that is an aft steering station, engine control station, transom seat, and exterior walk-in access to the engine room. Going forward, you note that the cockpit and side decks have a teak overlay. All of it's in excellent condition with really no wear. The entire exterior of the yacht was all gripped from the waterline to the top of the flying bridge in 2012. So the boat looks like she's 5 or 6 years old. Typical of many raised pilot house yachts, she has storage in the Portuguese bridge, and of course storage either side of the anchor windlass. To make boarding convenient from a tender or from the dock, there are side doors on both the port and starboard side. Now we're going to take a walk into the engine room. Note dual rate cores for both engines. Caterpillar 3196, 660 horsepower diesels. Both engines have approximately 2,820 hours on them, and they've been annually serviced, and all service records are available. One of the nice things about this boat relative to other raised pilot house trawlers in this size range is the boat's amazing speed with a 20+ knot cruise at 80% engine load. Some of the other equipment, over 1,200 amp hours of recently installed Victron batteries, inverter, manual automatic fire extinguishing, oil change kit, generator, pretty good selection of tools on board as well. A large transom door accesses the swim platform. And while you're going to see some great running shots, so you'll get a good idea what the profile looks. Here's something close up dockside.